I keep these out here so that you can't see it in this frame. But my problem with Costco is this is like my lazy version. There is absolutely no better feeling than waking up to a clean and tidy kitchen, especially if you were so tired the night before and you told yourself, look, just push through, get it done because tomorrow morning you will thank you. That's what I'm experiencing right now. Like last night, I was so tired. I got home super late from an event I attended and I just wanted to like go to bed, but I was like, you know what? Let me just do this because tomorrow morning I'll thank myself. And here we are. I really do thank myself. Anyway, let me put this stuff away, unload the dishwasher, make us breakfast, and then get the day started. Alexa, when we talk about reinvention, changing careers, changing cities, changing who we are in our relationships, changing in our faith journey, changing the way we show up in the world, we treat it like it's supposed to be this big, clean, cinematic moment. Like one day you just wake up and decide the next day that you're a different person. But that's not what it actually looks like. What it looks like is maybe I went to Costco yesterday afternoon, but I had no time to put the items away. So let's do that now. Let me just show you what I got first. This is the flour I use for pretty much everything. I just get the 10, is this 10 kg? Yeah, I get the 10 kg bag. In Costco, they sell the 10, and I think the other one is 25. Yeah, I think they have a 10 and 25 kg bag. So I just get the 10, and this lasts me probably like 3, maybe 4 months. Yeah, 3 to 4 months this lasts me. And I bake pretty much every other, if not every weekend. So yeah, goodbye. And I think this costs, where is the receipt? I threw the receipt somewhere in there. Yeah, the 10 kg bag costs $10.49. This was groundbreaking. I went to Costco and I spent less than $100. My total bill was $92.53 for this as well as like some other items. So yeah, flour. Let's take this to the pantry. Okay, and then I got oats. If you've been around a while, you already know this is the oats that I get. I just get these 5 kg bags. Is this 5 kg? 4.5 kg bags. And I use these for like making regular oats for breakfast. I also use them for baking. And I also use the oats for making, what do I call it now? Pap. So we don't make pap with like maize meal or with like poundo or like gari, like all that stuff. If you are West African, we use oats because I just believe it's a more complex carb. So we're not going to eliminate pap completely, but we'll use oats to make it like better. So yeah, I can take these down as well. I also got our body washes. This is what we use for body wash. Focus, focus. Yeah, this is what we use. And then I also got our lotion. My problem with Costco is you'll go to Costco today and find this. Then you'll go to Costco in 2, 3 months' time. They won't have this, they'll have something completely different. So I was using this for a couple of months and then it ran out, went to Costco, they didn't have this. So then now I had to buy Vaseline, which was fine because we were in winter. And then I go to Costco yesterday. They didn't have the Vaseline, but now they had this. So I'm just like, oh, Costco, like, what is your problem? You just stock everything at the same time, like you typically do. So anyway, I'm gonna take these downstairs. Oh, this is so heavy. I think I'll carry them separately. So I'll carry these two. Oh, the other things I got from Costco were bananas. So I got bananas and this little watermelon, and then I'm also trying out this new yogurt. I had to put this in the fridge, obviously. Yeah, I'm trying out this new yogurt. It was just like priced better than the one that I typically get. I think this was, if I'm not mistaken, it was like $8 or $9 for two. Wait, it was actually $14 for two. It's still cheaper. The one I typically get is like $19 for two. I don't know why I thought this was $8 for two. But anyway, it was $13.99, which is $14 for two. Still cheaper. So I am gonna see if I like it better than the other yogurt I typically get. This fridge is overdue for a clean, so that's what we're gonna do now. I feel like today has just been me catching up on stuff I need to do around the house. So we're just gonna empty it, take everything out. This is our dinner for tonight. I'm just like throwing the chicken. My goodness, I was about to call it kitchen. I feel like I should film a reel for Instagram. Should I? I'm tired. These are the issues. These are the problems. Like sometimes I'm filming for Instagram and I'm like, I should film for YouTube. And I'm like, oh, I'm tired. And then sometimes I'm filming on YouTube and I'm like, I should film for Instagram. And I'm like, oh, I'm tired. I don't even know where's my other tripod? Because I have two tripods. I have the tripod that you are on right now. And then I have a tripod specifically for my phone so that I can film for both. But let's just focus on cleaning.
You see me where I am, you won't forget about me. You hold my hand, you say that my identity is in you. I don't feel worth it 'cause I'm not, but you still stay. You love me so much that you sent your son to save. It's true.
I'm gonna keep these out here so that they dry quicker. This is like my lazy version of cleaning the fridge. I have two versions. I have okay, I'm really not into it, but the fridge still needs to be cleaned. So I just give everything a good wipe down. And then I have okay, the fridge is really dirty. I really need to deep clean it, where I'll now remove like all the shelves. Sometimes I will also like use my steam cleaner, but
I just want to rest today, so I just want to get this, be done with it, and move on.
I have nothing, but that doesn't matter to you. My sin and shame don't decrease how you see me through. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the prize. In your love, you made me, forgave me, then saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking my identity to be your value even when I go astray. You're the only worthy one, but you still call me by my name. It doesn't matter what the world says. What makes me who I am ain't 'cause of the prize. In your love, you made me, forgave me, and saved me. You're not mistaken, you're remaking. It doesn't matter what the world says.
Keep baking soda in your fridge. It will eliminate odors. Well, this is not the actual. I think they actually sell the fridge type, but since I buy these in bulk, I just open it and I just keep it somewhere in there. Sweet potato, butter, and that's pretty much it. I know the fridge is empty. If you watch the next video, which is gonna be an exciting one, you'll know why my fridge is empty. Oh, also gotta put back my mask. I keep it inside a bag and then I keep it in the fridge. This helps to like puffy eyes. I just completed a super productive block of work. Super proud of myself. Yeah, the color of the the past couple of days have just been go 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 go. I haven't really had the time to like. I've not been in here for maybe like a week, so it was good to just like catch up on stuff, emails I was behind on. Also just like catch up on like house stuff as well that I did. So love that for me. I'm not gonna do anything much for the rest of the day. I just wanna tidy up my office a little bit. It's giving like yeah, you can't see it in this frame, but like there's so many random things on my desk and on the floor, packages and whatsoever. So wanna clean that up and wake up tomorrow to a new and clean space that inspires me to work. So if you've watched till this point, thank you so much. God bless you. I truly appreciate it. Don't take it for granted, and I'll see you in the next video.